Let me show you how to make tanghulu in 5 minutes. So this version of tanghulu tastes just like the original, but instead of the stove, we're using the microwave. It's really important to make sure your strawberries are very dry, if not the coating will fall right off. And then to prep, I'm oiling this baking pan, but you could also use parchment paper. The ratio is 2 parts sugar and 1 part water. I'm using this little teacup to measure and then pouring it into a mason jar. Give it a little swirl and place it in the microwave, and then heat this up in 30-second intervals. Make sure to open it and check on the sugar each time. The time might vary depending on your microwave strength and then how much sugar you use, but in general it should take about 5 minutes. There is a test you can do to check. Dip a chopstick into the sugar and then dip it into ice water, and here you can tell the sugar is still soft, so it's not ready. This is 4.5 minutes and you can see it's bubbling a lot, and then at 5 minutes is when it quickly turned into this dark emerald color, which means it's most likely ready. It's going to be really hot, so be careful and don't touch it with your bare hands. And just to be sure, I'm going to do the chopstick test again. So bite it, and if you hear a lot of crunch, it's ready. You want to work really quickly here because the sugar consistency won't last long, so quickly dip your strawberries and twirl, and as long as you did it right, it should harden almost immediately. There's no need to dip in ice water. And then if you're wondering how to clean this, fill it with boiling water and wait. You might have to repeat a few times, but eventually it'll disintegrate.